Hello. Our dashboards and custom reports are built for speed and high-performance responsiveness. By eliminating redundant data requests, the system only triggers calls when necessary, removing lag during navigation and filtering. Through parallel execution, widgets and report pages load simultaneously rather than one by one. This significantly slashes wait times, even for your most complex, data-heavy setups. The result is a fluid, friction-free experience where the interface responds instantly. Focus on your insights with a seamless workflow powered by a high-performance engine. Thanks for watching.